All right, this is the VEVOR. This is the cheapo room for a 6.5 by 8 awning here. So let me put you back down. Trying to do things with one hand is stupid. This is my first time taking it out. I got it out of the box just to get the box out of the house. And 200 by 250 by 200. All right, it's in this bag. And we got these installation. This is the installation manual. So we'll use that. But let's open it up. Let's see if she'll fit on our thing. So as you can see, the first thing I did was unzip this. That goes into that groove that's up there. I should be reading the installation manual, but I'm assuming we got to take this little end piece off, so that way we can fit that little groove. But I think once it goes in there, it stays in there and you don't have to oh yeah, that's gonna be good to lose those, right? All right, into that groove, just like they have this one. That is in there and looks good. Not sure if it should be outside or inside. It looks like it should be the other way, doesn't it? So that way the rain stays out. Yeah, let's flip it. All right, first impressions, this zipper was nice. This was very easy. Look at that. Nice, nice, nice. Beautiful. All right, so got to put this side in first. This guy has this going groove right there. And again, I think I have to take off one of these sides, which may not make sense, but even if we have to leave it off, or even if we have to cut it, that'll be okay. I don't see I don't see a place here. I think I'm gonna, yeah, let's see what we do there. So I'm assuming this is the hardest part, that every time you have to pick that, take that in and out of that slot. So what I might do is just cut that. Maybe just cut that little plastic tab right here. So this is open. And yeah, I think that's what I want to do. Just cut that little tab off at the bottom. There, I can't do this with two hands, with one hand. And go from there, but yeah. But it's on there, and first impression so far, it feels good for the price. We'll talk about, actually I already put that up, didn't I? Yeah, that's not bad. I mean, first time I'm putting it up. First impressions, materials, 9 out of 10. Let's say 8 out of 10, maybe even 7.5 out of 10. It feels pretty decent. It feels pretty decent. This isn't, you know, you see the price, 120 bucks, $125 to my door. Better than the 300 of the. I don't know what that's for. 3 pockets there. The ceiling is sagging, but that's not a problem. And you probably would want to put some kind of pole here to get the water to run off easier. I don't have it tied down or anything, but really nice. Really happy with it for the price. Let's get this one open up, get some airflow going in. Yeah, I'm happy with it. I'm happy with it. I haven't tied anything down really. I mean, I've put a couple little things down, but you could obviously make it nicer. I've got to be somewhere at 315, and well, 415 is 350 now, so yeah, I'm rushing, which I shouldn't be, but I like it. Happy with it, keeping it. It's not going back. It fits fine. It's good. It fits fine. This is the 6.5 by 8.2, I believe is what it's officially called, but yeah, zippers feel pretty good, decent. Again, you're not paying a lot of money for this thing. So for the price, you have to tell yourself, you know, for the price. The first thing I would like to do is add hooks to this, like those hooks that tie it to those. That way you can just hook onto that. That should be pretty easy, not very expensive. I'm probably gonna add one of those poles that have like the, I'll throw one up on the screen, have like the thing on top that where you can put it up, and that way the water will come down off of it if you need it for rain days. It is definitely roomy. Again, the top needs to be tightened up, and I don't have it that way. I don't have it tightened up that way, but if you were to put one of those things that are on the screen right now, don't know what it's called, yeah, that would sit up there nice. And this is very spacious. You can easily sleep in here as a tent. You would have to probably, I would say you need to do some modifications to the outside and to your canopy, to your awning, I mean. But yeah, this works good. Again, where your awning is situated is going to tell where that door is going to open and close. That one is fine for me. Yeah, this is cool. I like it. Let me tie down a couple things just to make it look a little bit better, take a couple pictures, and then we're done with it. I gotta go.